This is Lou, 2008 Cadillac Escalade. I'm going to replace the bulb. Pretty easy. You don't have to remove the bumper. This is the passenger side. So all you have to do is remove the negative battery cable first. Then just remove the air filter. The top housing has 4 screws with star screwdriver, and loosen up the clamp. And then the housing, upper housing, comes right off. Then remove the air filter. Pops right out. Then the bottom housing, you just have to yank it. I have it already loose, and this comes right out. You just pull on it really hard. It's just little tabs that just connect it. No screws. Then we get down here, and then remove this housing right down here, the holder with the 3 screws right there. It looks like 11 millimeter. Okay, after you get this out, this is a 10 millimeter bolt, I'm sorry, and there's 4 of them. Pull this out, and then there's this rubber cover that's on here. Just yank this loose, just pull it out, and then you get to the bulbs right there. Real easy to get to. All 3 bulbs accessible without taking the bumper off. That's it.